Hello traders, Joseph here again. Thank you so much for joining me on this edition of my tutorial video. So the funny thing just actually happened to me. I've actually, I recorded this video uh, and I tried to upload it to YouTube, and then I realized that there was no volume. So obviously I checked. I mean, my mic and everything was connected, but for some reason I didn't get no audio. So this is gonna be the second time that I'm recording this video. I mean, it sucks because usually when I do my videos, it's usually just one take, and I don't edit. I just take it, just once, and whatever it's in my mind, I just kind of just say it, and I just try to make it the best I can. So so this is gonna be the second time I'm recording it. I can't promise that it's gonna be as good as the first one, but I'll try my best. But anyway, so what I'm going to be talking about in this video is actually to do with market structure. And I mean, I believe structure is the language of the Forex market, and it's going to be virtually impossible for anyone who is a technical trader to be successful at trading if they don't understand how the market structure work, or if they can't read market structure. So this is what this video is going to be all about. So what I'm going to do, this is going to be a little bit, kind of following up from my last video where I gave you the 1 2 3 strategy. But what I would say to you guys is the fact that if you're new to trading, this is gonna look very, very complicated to you, and it's gonna take probably multiple times for you to watch it in order to understand, this kind of technical analysis that I do. Because I go a lot deeper than what you see on the surface. I go a lot deeper than what people teach you. So obviously, if you're looking at the chart like this, normally this is what you're gonna be taught to do. When you see a market, just follow the movement. Now, if you look at this, you're gonna see that the market is bullish, right? Because all these kind of moves, this is a characteristic of a bullish market where the market is making higher lows, and yeah, so. But this isn't what this is not gonna make you money in trading, because it's very, very difficult to kind of like form a strategy based on this, because the market doesn't do things like, it doesn't repeat exactly the same patterns. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of take you deeper, and we're gonna kind of dissect the chart. We're gonna go deeper and look at the to focus on the characteristics of, in order to kind of, by the time you finish watching this video, you will be able to take away the fact that you can look at a market and you can be able to accurately predict where the market is going to turn, in terms of, so this is kind of going to give you a perfect entry, and try to help you see things a lot different from what you're used to. So I'm going to go ahead and take away this line that I just drew, and I'm gonna do something that you probably have never seen anyone do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start this analysis by just making random drawings on the chart. But here's a trick: those drawings are not gonna be random, because later on when I explain to you, and you're gonna be like, I see. But at the same time, I said, do not be too hard on yourself if you can't see this thing the first time you try to go and practice. So the drawings I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna be putting random boxes on the chart. Now to you, these boxes might seem random, but believe me when I tell you, they're not random, right? So just stay with me. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and get the boxes. Another one here, we can put a box there. We can actually put another box there. So let's follow the chart and put another box there. Call me the box man, because I make boxes on charts. So that was a joke. So I'm just gonna go all the way down, because obviously I started with the bullish market, so I'm gonna finish that up on a bearish market. And the last one, I'm gonna put the last one there. Now, how many boxes have I drawn on this chart? Let's count. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 boxes. So 14 boxes that you can see on the chart. Now, I'm gonna explain the significance of these boxes, and obviously before I do that is first of all, I want to ask you how many of you guys have seen my last video when I talked about the 1 2 3 strategy. So everything on that 1 2 3 strategy is gonna be based around this this video. So these boxes are very important because what you're gonna see if I zoom into these boxes is you're gonna see a few of the 1 2 3 strategy that I used, that I showed you guys last week, and this is one of them. Yeah, here you got the 1 2 3. Not all the boxes, but most of the boxes you're gonna see them. You got the 1 2 3, 1 2 3. I mean, they're very small. Obviously, if I zoom in, you're gonna see it a lot better. But if I zoom in, you're gonna see the boxes. You're gonna, I don't want you to kind of get distracted from looking at the boxes. So yeah, so I think that's enough. I've got about 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 of the boxes gave us the 1 2 3 strategy. Now the other boxes, they do have what I call the other two strategies that I trade, which is either the channel or the flat consolidation. So here we got the flat consolidation, so the market consolidating flatly there, and here we have a channel consolidation. We have a channel consolidation here. Anyway, we have another channel consolidation here, a channel consolidation here, a channel consolidation here. We have a flat consolidation here. So as you can see, almost every single box, there's another flat consolidation here. Almost every single box that I drew, within that box there is some type of a consolidation within that box. So this is not gonna, so far this is not gonna be, this is not gonna help you trade. This is not gonna make money from you, for you. But what I'm gonna do in the next few minutes is something that I really want you to take in. I mean, if you haven't been listening to anything I've been doing up to this point, this is the point that you really need to pay attention, because this is the point that is really gonna make a difference to you. And before I get onto this point, I'm gonna just make an illustration here on the chart. So you know how normally when the market makes an impulse, like it gives you a correction. This correction could be a 1 2 3, it could be a flat, it could be a channel, it could be a regular, all the types of correction the market does. It can be anything. So the market makes a correction, and then it breaks out of the correction and goes higher, right? But we all know that the market always comes back down to the previous structure. Now, if you learned structure from all those traders that sell you their courses that don't work, this is what they will tell you. They will probably tell you that the market will come back to the previous structure here and then bounce back up, right? So you're expecting the market to come back to this previous structure, and you're expecting the market to bounce back up from this line and go up, right? But guess what? The market hardly ever does that. The market has 3 different points where it's likely to reverse, and I'm going to tell you exactly what those 3 points are and how you can be able to prepare yourself. So the first one is obviously the one that you've been told, the one that you've been taught from all the courses you took, that the market will come out to the previous structure. That is the first one. The second one is the previous support structure right there. So the market can either reverse there or there. But what about the third one? So the third one is the one that I've just shown you on the chart, involving the boxes. So you draw a box there, but this is a trick. The third one is the middle of the box. How many of you guys know that? How many of you know that the middle of the box is probably the most important one? So as I move forward to show you a few of the examples that I just did on the chart, you're gonna see that the middle box is the most important point, because whatever the market does at the middle box, at the middle line, is gonna determine where the direction of the market is gonna go to. I mean, if it breaks the middle line, it's likely gonna come and test this support level before it comes back up. If it doesn't break the middle line, it's just gonna come in and just reverse and just go back up. But this middle line, the market, you're gonna see the market is gonna test it countless of times, right? So put that into your memory when we go onto the main chart and look at what the market has done. So we're gonna start with the first box down here. The first box down here, where's our middle line? Actually, I need the proper straight line. So there we got our middle line there. And what do you see? Obviously the market did come back to the previous structure, right? But how many times has the market kind of tested that middle line? 1, 2, 3, 4 times, because that is a very good decision point. Moving on to the next one here, middle line. What did you see? The market came, bounced back up and went straight up, right? Oops, my chart is going a bit crazy. So we go on to the third one here, middle line there. What did you see? The market came down and then bounced back up. Okay, my chart is gonna be crazy. Let me just try and fix it, guys. Okay, so we're back. So again, you can see another box here. This one we didn't quite get to the middle line. The market kind of just reversed. It didn't even touch the previous structure high, but they're moving on. What do you see here? The market coming back down, and then we move back up. I can go through every single one of these charts and show you exactly what the market does at that certain point. So this is no fluke or anything. This is a way of just understanding how the market works. If you understand this, you give yourself a better chance of getting good entries and being able to make money from trading. But this is exactly what the market does. You can see I can draw every single minute, everything. You are gonna see the kind of reaction the market does. Yeah, I told you this was gonna, help you see trading in a different way, and this is gonna help you with your entries and everything. But at the same time, you still have to understand these corrections that the market makes, because not every correction is going to qualify as an important correction where the market is likely to to revisit that middle line and then reverses. Not everyone. You have to be able to understand it, and the fact that this is a trending market, it's a lot easier to see this movement, this consolidation in a trending market than it is to see in a market that's in consolidation, because it's a lot harder. That's a different type of skill that you are going to need. So this is what I do. So even if you go to my TradingView profile, for those people that are not following me on TradingView, go and follow me on TradingView, because sometimes I post day trades on TradingView. Obviously I try to post all the day trades on my WhatsApp trading group, but just to show you a few things. So this is one of the ones that I posted. So as you can see that I don't normally put the boxes and show you guys all of this, but so let's go to the last few ones that I actually took, the ones that ended up with a nice winning. So this is we have a situation here where we had we got just imagine there's an invisible box here where you got the market breaking out, coming back down, and then click on the play button and you're gonna see what the market did after that. It went straight back up. I can tell you that the middle line is probably where the market kind of found support right there. Yeah. So you can go through all my charts on TradingView and you're gonna see this kind of things. It's not fluke or it's not luck. When you understand how the market moves, you understand different way the market is. It's not luck. You are gonna be getting all these entries. You're going to be timing it. You're going to be getting it to perfection. The one thing you don't want to do is let yourself be caught in traps, because look at guys, every single the market comes back, every time the market comes back to the middle, like this is where it gives you money. This is where the money is. This is a trap. This is a trap. This is where the money is, right? This is where the money is. This is a trap. This is a trap. This is where all the money is. You see all the movements that the market makes after it bounces from the middle line, the support line. That's where it gives you the money. Don't be caught up in these traps. These traps do not make you money. So like I said, if you watch this video and you still don't understand how to do it, you practice so many times and you still don't get it, like I said, you still have the option to go and take my complete trader course, which is going to be just something like this, just me and you, me talking about trading, going through all this with you, you know, giving you enough practice, you know, letting you see, you know, trying different charts, you know, looking at the market in different, you know, different conditions, the consolidation, the trending market, you know, how to be able to plan all these entries and everything. I mean, last week I did an offer for my WhatsApp trading group for $9.99. A lot of people took advantage of that. So obviously the price is back to $19.99. If you guys still want to come in, like I said, we do day trading. Let me just show you the last couple trades that we've taken on this using the same kind of strategies, and those two trades are actually on the verge of giving us over 1,000 pips in profit. So the first one is the US dollar against the Mexican peso. As you can see, because I've already done this video, I told you guys, so I kind of didn't, you know, delete all my lines, so you can see it here. So I'm actually just gonna be repeating myself. But if you see the box here, you got the middle line, you got the 1 2 3, you got the trap here. We took the trade somewhere here, and we're currently in profit of about 500 pips. So we're just waiting for the market to go and touch the top here. So in about 200 pips more, the market will go and touch and break the top. So that's where we're gonna take our profit. So the next one is the US dollar against the Norwegian krona. Same situation. We got the 1 2 3, we got the trap here, the market coming back down, and then we bought it somewhere there. So now we're currently in profit about 500 pips. We're still waiting for the market to go and break that top. That will give on an additional probably 900 pips in total. So as you can see, you know, I didn't post this on TradingView. Like I said, I don't post all my trade on TradingView because it wouldn't be fair on my traders, people that are paying for my WhatsApp trading group. So this is the kind of one. So yeah, so this is the kind of the strategy that I just explained to you guys. This is how you use it, guys, and I'll try and make it that in my next video that I make, I'll try and explain to you guys how you can spot these kind of patterns in a market that's in consolidation, because that is a lot more difficult than just looking at it on a trend. But at least I'm hoping that this has given you some kind of a guideline in a way that you can see the chart differently and be able to read it. Because I seriously believe like this has helped me a lot. This is probably the only strategy I trade, and that's the reason why I'm successful with it. So if you guys want, you know, take your time to understand and watch this video and try to, you know, practice, you are gonna get there. And obviously, if you need more help, like I said, just follow me on TradingView, and you can see some of the trades that I post on the, you know, every single trade that I post, day trading trades. When I post trades on a lower time frame, they're all gonna be based on this strategy. It's nothing gonna be away from the strategy. You might not see the boxes on the chart when I place it, but if you do your research, you are gonna see them. So yeah, this is, like I said, it's the second time I'm recording this video. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if the first one was better than the second one, or, you know, I'm sure I might have missed a lot of things, but yeah, like I said, it is what it is, man. I'm just hoping by the time I finish this video, it's gonna have some audio on it. So anyway, if you like this video, guys, you know, just give it a, you know, drop a comment down below, and, you know, like it, you know, anything that helps support the channel. Like I said, you can subscribe to my channel as well, so that you get my videos as soon as I post them. And if you want to join our trading group, you can come over and join my WhatsApp trading group, or take any of my courses, because it's gonna help you see the market in a totally different way, as you've seen in some of these tutorials that I do. So yeah, so I'll leave you guys for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.